Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to deploy sharing settings in Salesforce. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Salesforce, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Deploying sharing settings in Salesforce involves configuring the organization-wide defaults or OWD, role, hierarchies, sharing rules, and possibly manual sharing to control access to records. Because properly managing sharing settings ensures that the right users have access to the right data while maintaining data security. Once you are logged into your account, I want you to hover to the upper right corner where you can see the gear icon. I want you to click on the setup section. Once inside the setup dashboard, I want you to go to the quick find. In here, type in sharing settings. See that? Click on it. And you would be forwarded here. You have all of these options, okay? You can manage sharing settings for all objects. Is it going to be leads, accounts, contacts, assets, products, opportunities, cases, campaigns, individual, and until all these. You have an option to click the edit wide sharing defaults. All right. You can save. You can, of course, customize the way you want it for lead. Say, for example, it's going to be private only. Or you wanted this option to be like public read only. This case is going to be controlled by parent. This is for private. This is private, public read only, and a lot. All right. After saving all of, after choosing all of this, all right. Once you're happy with this settings, click on save. And you see these are going to be the grant access using hierarchies. Okay. Default, external access, and object. Now, on the account sharing rules, you can put in a new one right here. You can put the label, rule name, and description. And once you're happy, click on save. I'm going to cancel that for now because I'm just showing you some option for the voice call sharing rules, access sharing rules, badge sharing rules, contact, and there's a lot when you hover down. All right? Because doing all of these, you can effectively deploy sharing settings in Salesforce, ensuring that your organization's data remains secure while allowing users the necessary access to perform their jobs. All right. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.